In this section, we'll explore the coding functionalities and limitations of ChatGPT by creating an AI-generated Python script, which we'll upload into Blender to create a basic 3D model. I will give a quick overview of how I edited the 3D model in Blender for my final product, but this course will not give you an in-depth tutorial of the Blender tool. For those who went off script and created their own products in the previous session, you'll quickly realize how challenging it can be to build a 3D model solely using AI. Despite what some sources may claim, AI isn't magic. While it's powerful and constantly improving, it can't do everything perfectly or instantaneously. By the end of this course, hopefully, you'll have a realistic understanding of AI's strengths and weaknesses and learn how to use it effectively to enhance your daily work. A good rule of thumb is that AI won't make you a master of anything, but it can help you become competent at everything. Finally, we'll explore free resources for additional 3D models and sound effects. Once all the elements are ready, we'll dive into PowerPoint to add 3D animations and audio effects, bringing your slides to life. Let's jump into it.